friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. So I got a story to tell you. So just about a year ago, I was planning a new series or show for my YouTube channel, and I was super excited about it. I've been thinking of this idea for many years, and I finally hit the ground running, and I filmed 2 episodes. However, right in the middle of all of that, everything shut down, and I basically had to stop production and couldn't move forward with the show. Well, it's still something I'm super passionate about doing, and I hope to do it once everything opens back up. However, I went back and I found the 2 episodes that we had filmed and edited from last year, and I figured if I don't post these now, they're going to become irrelevant. I mean, I even feel like I look a little bit different. So what I want to do, if it's okay with you, is take these next couple of weeks and I want to release these episodes. I'm putting this little disclaimer at the beginning of each of the episodes so that you know these were filmed entirely before the lockdown. This was supposed to be something that rolled out in 2020 and it didn't happen. It's something that I'm reimagining and looking forward to in the future in whatever way I'm able to film these. But just know these were filmed in January and February of last year, 2020, so no worries there. And also, watching these episodes have made me realize how much better I've gotten as a video creator. I've gotten so much better at filming. I've even gotten better on camera. So I'm just throwing it out there. When I show you these episodes, please go easy on me because I was still learning at the time. But I really want your feedback. So please, in the comments, let me know what you think of this concept. Let me know what you think of the episodes, the idea as a whole, if this is something that you'd be interested in seeing more of, if you want me to go through with a full season of this show. But without further ado, I'm really excited to show it to you. So give this video a big thumbs up if you're excited. Hit that subscribe button to join the best family ever. And I'm so excited to introduce to you a taste of your world. Good morning, everyone. I'm Nicole. I'm in Burbank, California this morning, and I'm hungry. It's early and breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so I'm gonna take you to a diner that has the best omelets in LA. Eaton Park Diner is the dive bar for breakfast spots and has been frying eggs and filling bellies since 1982. What started as an A&W in the 60s has turned into one of Burbank's most cherished diners, still serving the mouths of the loyal patrons who came back in the 60s.
They come in, they start looking at the artwork, they start seeing all these old movies and records up, and they just tell us it's like a different experience.
They're known for their monstrous omelets and colorful cereal-topped waffles, but what makes this place most special are their regulars. Eaton Park is a favorite for many people like Bob and Steve, and this vintage diner keeps them coming back on the same days every week.
You feel like you're at home here. Everybody's treated like family.
The people and the food and the fact that I can get good food, good service.
And we're able to talk to the waitresses and the cooks and things when they're not real busy, and that makes it nice.
Ellen's a good friend, Bobby's a good friend. John and Nuna run the joint. I consider them friends.
And there goes Dana out the door, another regular. He's been coming as long as I have, just about.
I usually get here 4 days a week, because Monday I'm in transit, so. And then the weekends I spend out at the ranch, my little 5-acre ranchito.
I'm retired now, so I can make it every day. When I was working, I come when I can, and that was about maybe 2 to 3 times a week.
Owners and cousins Paul and Gary filled me in that despite any updates to the menu, their classics never change because their regulars know just what they want.
They don't even want to see a menu that's like disrespectful to them. Don't show me a menu, I know exactly what I want, and they get the same thing every single time.
Steve doesn't even have to wait for his breakfast. It's here when he comes in.
They see my truck coming around the corner and they throw it on there because I'm going to order the same thing, right?
You know, you get to know people and they know you.
It's just, we've always wanted to maintain like the heart of the menu, which for us has always been our omelets. So we always keep our 20 specialty omelets. Like that's never going to change. If anything, we like to add new things. We never like to take away.
If these omelets keep people coming in every week, then there must be something special about them. So I'm headed back into the kitchen to see what all the fuss is about. Okay, I'm back here in the kitchen with Paul. He's gonna show me how to make these famous omelets. What kind of omelet are we making today?
So today we're gonna go with one of our most popular ones. It's called the Hobo Omelet. Are you excited?
Step 1, yes.
Step 1, all right, so obviously we gotta start with our fresh grounded up eggs.
About how many eggs is in one omelet?
About 4 to 5 extra large eggs for the single omelet.
Amazing.
And we're gonna be making our single omelet.
Lots of protein.
So now we can go ahead and throw our veggies in there.
Okay.
We'll start by tossing them all around. So we got the bacon, sausage, and ham combination right here. And to top it off with our beef, a little bit of cheese in the middle. So Nicole, I'm gonna need your help. If you don't mind flipping the omelet for us.
I would love to.
Yeah, we got 2 of these spatulas right here. They are huge ones for huge omelets.
Oh my gosh, okay, what's the strategy?
The strategy is to
Fold?
fold them from both sides.
Okay.
Correct.
Oh my gosh, okay.
And flip that one from the other side.
This is so big! Oh my gosh.
There we go.
Okay.
And then we
Seal
can
her
just chop that one up too.
Chop it?
Chop it. There
Alright.
we go.
And chop right here?
Yes, please.
Amazing.
Awesome. And we're gonna top it off with some extra cheddar
Yes.
cheese.
Never enough cheese.
The cheesier, the better. There it is. And the last step in cooking the omelet, what we're gonna do is steam it.
Okay.
So the omelet gets nice and soft and the cheese melts. So we put a little bit of, boom.
Nice.
We can go ahead and grab these ones out of the way. There we go. Slide this big.
Woo!
We're gonna put some fresh avocado on top. And last but not least, our fresh cut hash browns that we prepare every morning.
Oh my goodness.
Hobo omelet for one.
Okay, so we have our savory dish. Now it's time to make something sweet. Paul's cousin Greg is here with me and we are going to make, tell me what we're making.
So today we're gonna be making the Fruity Pebbles waffle.
What's our first step?
So our first step actually is going to be to put some spray on the waffle maker. So then we're gonna put about 1 ladle full of our batter. This part is to infuse the waffle with Fruity Pebbles as well.
Oh
There's always gonna be some Fruity Pebbles inside. We then close it up, turn, and the waiting process begins.
Okay, Greg, walk me through the toppings. What are we gonna be putting on this waffle?
So we're gonna do a scoop of strawberry ice cream. We do some fresh berries. We have strawberries and blueberries. Well, obviously we're gonna have more Fruity Pebbles. We put some powdered sugar, of course, and top it off with some whipped cream.
When I was a kid, it was my dream to be able to eat ice cream for breakfast, and I would beg my parents. So this honestly is the perfect thing for kids.
We definitely were thinking about kids when we came up with this idea, but you'd be surprised how many adults come in and just, they're like, we came here for the cereal
I can
waffle.
imagine. Probably
So
because their parents never let them have ice cream for breakfast.
that works.
They're
yeah,
making up
that
for
might
it.
be- That explains it for sure.
Can I do whipped cream?
Yes, you get to
Okay.
do the finishing touches
Here
here.
we go. This is the best. Hey.
And now, one last sprinkle of Fruity Pebbles, because you can never have enough Fruity Pebbles.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I'm so excited about it. I'm kind of stressed though because the ice cream's melting, so we better get this outside for a taste test.
Absolutely, let's get it going.
Let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to eat these. I'm definitely gonna start with the omelet because I wanna end with the sweet. Oh gosh, it's falling apart. Mmm. Oh wow. Imagine meat lovers pizza in an omelet. That's what this is. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna try the hash browns now. Mmm. I like how they're like really thinly sliced instead of shreds. Mmm. Mmm. Crunchy cheese. And now for the Fruity Pebble waffle. I don't even know where to start. I feel like I should start from the middle. Okay, here we go. I love that there are Fruity Pebbles inside of it. Got a strawberry, a little bit of whipped cream. Oh my gosh, this is insane. Wow. My taste buds are in heaven. I never thought Fruity Pebbles could get any better, but put them inside of a waffle and bam. Wow. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because next week we're going to another restaurant. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.